Alice Carey, and I work in international sales here at Malco.
Hi, I'm Luis Vernon. I'm the Director of International Sales.
Today we're going to talk about the exterior detailing of your vehicle in a dry desert climate. So let's get started. If I want to remove dirt, sand, and dust from the exterior of my car, where should I start?
So the most important thing in those conditions is to touch your car as little as possible. This is really important in order to avoid further scratching or damaging of your paint. In order to wash your car, you've got different steps. The first step in washing a car is really taking care of the engine bay. In order to take care of the engine bay, you want to use a very powerful degreaser. So in our case, we'll use Red Thunder at a dilution of 1:1 that you will spray on a cross pattern all across the engine bay. You will want to let that sit for 5 minutes and then you rinse it. Once your engine bay is taken care of, you will want to take care of the cars itself. First you'll rinse the whole car with water to make sure that all the dirt and big contaminant goes away. Once this step is done, you would again use our Red Thunder in a dilution to 1:4 and do all the bottom part of your car with that degreaser to help remove all the dirt, big contaminants that are linked to the dust and the desert condition, and rinse that part. And that will be your first pre-wash prep of your car.
So is degreasing the same thing as washing, or do I need to use a car wash?
No, so degreasing in this case is really in order to remove the big dirt. Then washing, it's really to clean in depth the body. So in the washing steps, what you want to use is you want a highly lubricity shampoo. In our case, we're going to use our CW37 Premium Car Track and Wash Concentrate that can be diluted up to 1:400. In order to apply this shampoo, you've got two different types of way you can do it. You can use it with a foam gun, which will help you spray evenly the shampoo all across the car and let it do the work to clean the car. Either you can do the 2-bucket method. What you really want to do is have a bucket with the shampoo and a bucket with clean water and a grip guard at the bottom of that second bucket. What you want to do is use your microfiber mitts, clean the car, and as soon as your microfiber mitt has less foam and shampoo on it, you'll rinse into the clean water and then go back on the car. Always wash your car top to bottom in order to make sure that the big dirt soil doesn't move back to the top of the car, and so forth. And once you've covered the whole car with that method and cleaning up with your mitts, then you can thoroughly rinse your car and make sure the car is clean.
So is there a way for me to protect my car surface after doing all this work?
For sure, and that's a great question. Once you've done with the cleaning, you really want to protect your car. So the first thing you want to do is to use a dressing for your tire and engine bay. In our case, we're going to use Aquabid, a waterborne dressing. That is a silicone suspension dressing. So you're going to use that dressing diluted 1:2 on the engine bay as well as all on your tire. This will give a protection to your engine from water, dust, and sand. Once this step is done, you want to sure protect all the body and the painted surface of your car. For that, you will want to use a wax. And if you can, a wax that have UV inhibitor. In our case, we're going to use NanoCare Banana Cream Wax, which does have UV inhibitor and a protection of up to 180 days. So you're going to apply banana cream wax panel per panel on your car and let it haze. Once it haze, you can push it off and dry it up with a clean microfiber. And with that protection, your car will last well longer and be well protected in the desert condition.
So now you know how to degrease, clean, and protect the exterior of your vehicle under the desert climate.
I hope it helps, and if you haven't yet, make sure to visit and check our video on desert cleaning.